Under the Liberia Municipal Water Project funded by the U.S. Agency for International Development, our team at Tetra Tech was tasked with designing a water treatment system that would give 3 Liberian cities access to clean water. Coming in, we were challenged with endemic corruption, the lack of infrastructure and utilities, and the lack of local engineers. So the design team paired simple water treatment designs with modern technologies and delivered a low-cost, low-maintenance option that can be sustained and operated.
I'm Prince A. Mulbah. I'm a site engineer for Tetra Tech based in Sanniquellie. The water comes from the intake point. It goes to the pre-treatment basin, which is the Cascade Aerator Basin. So from the Cascade Aerator, it goes to the Sedimentation Basin. Heavier particles are settled down there. After the Sedimentation Basin, the water then goes to the slow sand filter. At that point, the water filtered down is seeped through the sand and it removes pathogens from the water. At the bottom of the slow sand filter, there are perforated pipes. It enters the clear water tank. From the clear well, it's being pumped to the elevated water tower for storage. From the clear well, it's also being pumped to the distribution system where it goes to the public.
We designed a context-appropriate water treatment system that would provide a low-cost operation and easy-to-maintain system. These systems are designed to provide treated water to over 30,000 people. The water systems run on an 80-20 hybrid system, meaning that 80% of the energy is provided through solar power, and there's a diesel generator as backup.
One of the most exciting aspects of LMWP is that when USAID designed the project, they recognized that the new utilities would need technical and management support during and after startup and initial operations. So we are now helping the local operators and the National Water Company to troubleshoot problems, refine management systems, and generally helping to ensure everything is working as intended and that the utilities are working towards self-reliance.